Oh, who's that? Clarine. Thank you, Clarine. Here's your pink Mickey Mouse pencil, Clarine. Okay, thank you. Okay, music. Gerard. Okay, Gerard, here's your pencil. Okay, thank you. Music, please.
Fatto, fatto, gentleman.
Oh, okay, Eros. No problem. May pencil ka agad eh, kahit talo eh, di ba? Okay, just enjoy the music. Pass the egg again. Okay, music, please. Oh, thank you, Mika. Here's your pink pencil. Thank you. Okay, we have now 2, 4, 6. Naku, si little girl pa ata. No, Tricia, maybe we'll just continue playing. We'll just continue. Okay, music, please.
Get jazzy on.
That's the number. That's the number. Ah, that's it. Okay, thank you, Angel. Thank you. Here's your pencil. Okay. Okay, we have now 5 left and 1 boy. Tingnan natin kung anong galing na itong big boy na to. Okay. Give tayo ng space ng konti. Okay? Music, please. Oh, no. Cyril, you're out. Thank you, sweetheart. Okay? Marami pa tayong games mamaya. Okay? Go! Music, please. Counterclockwise na yun. Oh, nabasag na. Okay, wait. Okay. Again. Don't do counterclockwise. No counterclockwise, please. Okay. Okay, music, please. Focus, please. Now, 3 left and a boy. Mukhang dadakanin tayo sa laki ng katawan nito ah. Okay, music please.
Fatto, fatto, gentleman.
Oh, thank you, Tricia. Okay, we have 2 winners now. Mukhang minomonopolize tayo ng kapatid ng celebrant. So, we have the winner, Elise.